Hello, my name is Darian Vigo, and on the following slides will be some books teachers can use to help teach anti-bias education in the classroom. My Princess Boy is about a young child who loves to wear dresses, sparkles, and tiaras. Regardless of how he is, this book shows unconditional love from the family and calls for an end to bullying. This book can help teach children about social acceptance and tolerance. I Am Jazz. This book is about a transgender child who's become a spokesperson for others just like her. This children's book is based on a real-life experience and is written in a way to help young children understand. This book can help teach about social acceptance and tolerance. Happy Adoption Day can be read as a book or sung. This book discusses the excitement of being adopted and takes away the negativity towards being adopted. This book shows children that they are wanted and loved no matter what. This book helps teach children about how families can be created. Who's in My Family? This book talks about many different families. It shows it is perfectly normal to have people of different ethnicities make up a family. Teachers can introduce the different concepts of who and what makes a family. Don't Call Me Special, a first look at disability. This is a wonderful book that goes through the different disabilities and even equipment children with disabilities may have. This series can help teachers promote positive interaction with children and encourage them to ask questions. Special People, Special Ways. Share a joke or a dream, make someone feel good, we need laughter, hugs, and to be understood. Though we seem different, inside we're the same, our hearts are for caring no matter our name. This book is filled with rhymes and promotes positive views toward people with disabilities. This book can be used to promote tolerance and understanding. Happy in Our Skin is all about loving who you are. It discusses different colors and shows we are all alike in our own special way. This book can help teachers teach children about different ethnicities and cultures. We can teach children no matter the color, we are all the same on the inside. The Skin You Live In is a book with rhymes that helps with social acceptance. With this book, teachers can teach self-esteem, friendship, and diversity. This is a great book for teaching anti-bias education in the classroom. Fly Away Home is a perfect book to teach about the homeless community. Homeless people do not have a positive reputation. This book is about a young boy and his father who live in an airport moving around trying not to get caught. This book can help discuss that not all homeless people are the same. People are where they are due to different situations and we should never judge them. Teach children to not be judgmental. A Chair for My Mother is about a family who lost everything in a fire. The child, mother, and grandmother all work hard to buy one comfortable chair for all to enjoy. With hard work and motivation, we can do anything we set our minds to. Not all people are rich, poor, or just getting by. Everyone's family lives are different, and we need to teach children to respect one another. This book can help build understanding toward the less fortunate.
Created using Powtoon.